To fix a screen door closer that isn't closing all the way, it's essential to identify the root cause of the issue. There are several reasons why this may be happening, including a stiff door closer, a misaligned door closer, or damage and obstruction. To address these problems, start by lubricating the door closer, as dirt and debris can affect its functionality. By reducing friction, the door closer should be able to shut effortlessly. If lubrication doesn't work, try repositioning the door closer to ensure it's aligned with the door frame. This can be done by inspecting the closer, untightening the screws if necessary, adjusting it until it's properly aligned, and then tightening the screws. If the issue persists, inspect the door closer for any damage or obstructions, such as small rocks, insects, or debris, and remove them. Check the door closer for signs of damage or wear, and if it's damaged, remove the old one and install a new one, properly positioning it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a screen door closer that isn't closing all the way.